Hey ladies, it's Tiffany Wellinghoff, and I just wanted to show you how to register for a Celebrate and Connect meeting really quick. We hold these meetings 5 to 6 times a year. You can count on these to be about every other month. So our next one is coming up soon, and it's time to register. Go ahead and go out to 31today.com, and when you get there, you're going to click on Scoop, and then you're going to click on Events, and then you're going to click right here on Celebrate and Connect. And then there's a big banner at the top that'll come up right here that says click here to register. So you're going to click on that. I will tell you, if you know your host's name, if you go to the same meeting every time, you can go ahead and type in their name and click search. But probably the easiest way is to go down here and select your state. So if you live in the state of Florida, you're going to select Florida. We live in Ohio. So I would select Ohio, and I would actually look and see what are all the meetings happening in Ohio. I will tell you when you do this, it starts by date. So the next meeting coming up, it's going to organize all the meetings by date, but you can actually click through and look through by city right here. And then you can actually see the name of the director doing it. And then you're just going to select that meeting. So I'll go down here and find my meeting just to show you guys what I'm talking about. We are actually in Lebanon. So I'm going to select myself. And it's going to show you the meeting details. So it tells where it is, and it tells any details if the director has any details. And that's how you select it and registered for it. Since I am actually a director, it's not going to let me register for my own meeting, but that is how you do it. So you just click on that Celebrate and Connect, click on the banner, and then once again you go down here and you either type in the director's name or you can select your state and then look it up and see what all is offered in your state, all the dates and times and everything like that. So go out and get registered, ladies. They're fantastic, and they will really help your business.